Hello everyone, it's Danielle and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's video is part of a hop with an ice cream theme. It's hosted by the Team Tiny Facebook group. Team Tiny is a group of crafters like myself aspiring to grow our YouTube channel. We each have less than 1,000 subscribers, and like other crafters, we share our crafty projects right here on YouTube. We support one another with these hops, and it's a lot of fun to not only showcase your talent, but to discover and see other talent and get more inspiration. So for today's hop, it's an ice cream theme, and I thought I'd use today's card design using my ice cream stamps from Stampin' Up, Distress Oxide ink, a die cut from Stampin' Up, and what I haven't shown is my brick embossing folder. This card has dimension and it's a pale rose color scheme, which I think is really pretty. I use the pattern paper for the background. I use foam dimensionals for the embossed brick layer and the ice cream cone and scoops. I had a little fun with the ice cream scoops in terms of picking out the ice cream flavors. I'd say it's an orange sherbet flavor, mint chocolate chip, and vanilla bean with chocolate sprinkles. So I thought that was a little fun to put that together. The card is really simple to put together, so I hope you enjoy my process. I share pictures, close-up pictures at the end of the video, so make sure you keep watching to see that. So for now, I'm going to leave you to watch my process, and I hope you enjoy it. I want to thank you so much today thank you so much for joining me today, I should say. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your presence. All right, so I'm going to leave you to watch my process. So thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.